just I'm recording. Metabolism. What is a metabolism? I told you, metabolism consists of catabolism, that is the breakdown of substance, whatever you eat in the form of food and other things. Anabolism is build up the substance, but whatever excess glucose converted to fat, lipid, and triglycerides, whatnot, that deposited in the fat form. Now, metabolism is a commonly used to refer specifically to the breakdown of food and its transformation into energy. Whenever you eat the protein, either fat, carbohydrate, everything is converted to glucose first, then it is absorbed. That is in the calorie wise absorbed and used for day-to-day activities. I explain you BMR, basal metabolic rate. I tell you the basic metabolic rate. 24 hours activities need calorie, minimum calorie. If you go to find out the BMR of each and every patient, is very compulsory. And find out if he's taking BMR is 14 and 1500 calorie he should eat, that should he must eat 1500 calories. Otherwise underweight. He can't perform the activities. But if you want to reduce the weight, then ask him to burn out the calorie. Exercise role is there. If you're underweight, don't burn out the, eat more and more, increase the weight. Now, okay, I explained this everything to you. Good look, good physics. I told you the basic scientific principle how to make the six packs. Everyone try to six pack. Whatever your age, don't worry. You will look like healthy and normal. Nobody can judge your age. You will be smarter and doing something. Your patient will happy always by looking you young. Factors for the good fitness, physics. Okay, protein, vitamins, omega 3. Omega 6 is not used. Omega 3 and omega 9 is used. Iodine, calcium, and iron and zinc is important. Selenium also important in the sex drive. Glycemic load, I explain you. Glycemic load is the factor which determines to what extent eating a good food rises the blood sugar level, providing a measure of total glycemic response to particular food. Means whatever you are eating is very important for your management of glycemic load. If you are eating more and more sugar, what will happen? Sugar load will increase, more fat will deposited, you become more fatty. Means fat is not the problem, sugar is a problem. Treat sugar like a cocaine. Cocaine also look, and it is addictive. Cocaine is addictive, sugar is also addictive. Why? I told you. Because sugar increase, fructose increase what? Dopamine. That is addictive hormone. Short-term pleasure. You want long-term serotonin for happiness. Happiness, stop this sugar for future happiness. Keto diet, I explained my patient's opinion also. How it reduce. Okay, fine. I'm not taking more proteins. Actually, they eat more proteins and zero carbohydrate level. That much you must know. Homework we give all those are registered minimum. Do the work on 40, 50, 100 people. Do it free. Once they know you are doing well, more and more people will join to you, your group, and you will get more and more popularity and curing the cases more. For example, how we did. Total food calories, BMR is 1600 intake, calorie burnout, calculate. BMR is 1500, 150, required more other work like a digestive system and other things, body. Routine activity 150, exercise 300, total calorie utilized 2100 in a day. If you reduce, if you eat this much, if you do the exercises and all, more calories will be burned out. If burn out more, Then 500 calories if you burn out per day. In 7 days, you burn out 3,500 calories. Multiply 500 into 7 is 3,500 calories. Use as a catabolism means if it is not used, then it becomes catabolism. Catabolism is good things. If it becomes anabolism, then it deposited in the fat. So if you want to reduce the weight, 2.8 to 3 kg per month, you can reduce by simple calorie-wise diet prescription. Now, whenever your patient comes to you, you must have calorie-wise diet prescription. Write down calorie-wise diet prescription. This much protein, this much fat, this much carbohydrate. Now you have the problem. Most of the time patient asks, sir, how to know this calorie, how much protein? Simpler. You go take again app, Google Baba is there. That is a Play Store in your smart mobile phone. Everyone has, 90% people in India having a smart mobile. Put it there. 1 poly, 2 poly, whatever you call it. There is a Healthify app, number of app. They provide you. They ask you to join and pay our annual fees. Vagare. If you don't want to pay, don't pay. They don't never ask you, force you to pay the fees. But you can utilize the things. There are a number of gadgets even to know the calorie wise. Put it there. I eaten so much, they will calculate. You have eaten carbohydrate, now carbohydrate excess, don't eat the carbohydrate. You are like protein, eat the more protein. So my patient said previously, sir, I was taking 10 to 12 idli with hardly wati sambar, dal. Now I am taking 3-4 wati sambar and hardly idli, 1 or 2 idli in a day. Now I stop all taking biscuits, bread, I stop it. Sugar, stop it. I reduce and my sex desire increase 5 times more. Whenever I want, I'm getting everything. Enjoyable now. Sir, you are the ultimate for me. Because these people goes everywhere and nobody go in this direction. Now change your prescription. Prescribe medicine if necessary. Don't prescribe medicine. Even in US and Canada, nobody is prescribing medicine. Viagra, nobody is prescribing. Hardly prescribing. There's always do exercise, do this work, gymnast, go for shockwave therapy, go for, this is physical therapy, go for nerve stimulation therapy, go for vacuum erection device exercises, so on. So we are going to, that are our part and parts. But this is a very important. If you don't know the basic, then how you will become a proper sexologist or proper treatment? If you are better sexologist or sexual medicine, this is my domain, then you have to treat your patient. Their heart also normal, their diabetes should be 0, nothing normal. Tell them, you go to your physician, take their advice, but follow such type of diet and revert back it to normal. And tell them, this is happening, sir, now I'm happy. And my desire also increase. I'm even hypertensive drug causing impotence, psychiatric drug causing impotence. So you must know which drug causing what, and that I'm sending you all my notes, everything I'm giving you. Lot of one. Nobody. I feel something. Nobody is open up and all sometimes. So do it. Work yourself. There is no solution for work. Work is itself is a solution. You have to work, otherwise you will die. Now you know very well trans fat, high fructose. I told you is a dangerous, because fructose, if you take glucose, it has to, liver had to convert fructose into anabolism, means fat. Whenever want, this fructose again goes form of glucose. But everything in the glucose is the energy. That you must remember. Artificial color is also dangerous. Cancer is very common, and preservative is common. That is what now I think most of the time, that is a food pattern particularly. We are going to in other slides in details. We will go. We will see keto diet changes energy, fuel, utilize store energy. So extreme fat loss. Why? This is extreme fat loss because they are taking the What protein more? Protein digestion needs 4 to 5 hours, 6 hours. At that time, body never is doing some activities. BMR increases, calorie need is increases. Then what happened? They utilize their head office, liver, instruct them to utilize fat from your body, transfer to carbs, glucose, and use the energy. This is the way your fat losing start. Simple way, nothing more logic. Doctor no don't need logic more, but they need analysis. What is happening? No need more brain. Need more logical things. What to do, what not to do. Best doctor is hearing the patient. When I asked my boss who is the best doctor, he said, who is the foolish doctor is the best doctor. Don't write this medicine, that medicine. Oh sir, this I read this book has done this research. I am prescribing that medicine. Arey Baba, nobody knows what you are prescribing today. Tomorrow will be banned. Anyway, use the medicine less. Use more. Use the natural way. That's why cure yourself is today's motive of my Zoom meeting. If you cannot compromise on size, it will increase your weight. Enough protein, fat, vitamins, and mineral is necessary. Most of the time, US has more production of soya and corn. When there is more excessive, they send them in India. Number of life manufacturing companies. I don't want on the name of herbal, they sell it. Best protein is, you have seen the horse. What is the horse eating? Anyone can say? Protein, dal, chana. Chana, yes, use the chana.
Yes,
Use the chana. Is the best soya. Why you are spending 4,000, 5,000, 10,000 food pack and all? Chana is a good thing. Take chana. If you want some oil there, peanut, put some peanut, keep it. That is the best slide. Take these things, more vitamins needed, then keep the ankurit. This is a sprouted everything. Dal, chana, mode, rice, everything. Even fenugreek seeds, I am advise everyone for the good digestion and giving antioxidants, 80-90%. One patient said, sir, so it is difficult. We just waited, but sometimes we eat because of their taste is different. So I am taking just like a peel, 2 chammach of fenugreek seeds, methi dana, and drink it twice a day. My gases problem solved, my constipation solved, my everything is solved. I'm very happy. My wife is happy because every time I was gases and she was changed, her mood was turned out. She said, no, you sleep, I'm going to sleep in another room. This happens. So,
excuse me, sir. There's a message like Dr. Vani is there.
okay.
In the waiting, sir.
ओके डॉक्टर वानी अब लेट आएंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे अभी हमने तो एनीवे आई विल स्टार्ट वेयर इज आई हैव टू सी द पार्टिसिपेंट वन थिंग वानी इज नॉट शी इज कमिंग सो लेट सी मीस आई कांट हेल्प हर एनीवे आई एडमिटेड हर बिकॉज एवरीथिंग आई एम डूइंग नाउ माई सेल्फ so I am host, I am admitting, I am lecturing, I am recording, everything is happening here. Anyway,